Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Take control of your money today. See exactly where every dollar goes with Cash App's budget categories. So Cash App sorts your spending into categories so you can easily see where your money goes and manage your budget better. So what are budget categories? Category groups your purchases like food and dining, transport, shopping, bills and utilities, and health and entertainment. Cash App assigns this automatically based on where and what you buy. So why use budget categories? To see spending habits. Know where you're spending or what you're spending most on. Then plan your budget. Set a goal or limits for each categories. Then stay aware. You can understand essential versus extra spending. And lastly, cut costs. Find areas where you need to save your money. And here's how to check and sort your categories. For that, open your Cash App, then tap your profile icon at the top right corner, and then select or budget. Then see your spending broken down by categories. Now, tap a category to see all the related transactions, and to fix a wrong category, tap the transactions, tap Edit Category, and pick the right category. Then lastly, use filters to sort by date, amounts, or categories. And tip for success, review your spending weekly or monthly. Set a budget goals per category if available. Edit categories to keep reports accurate. And lastly, use charts to spot trends fast. And here's some troubleshootings. Raw category. Edit it manually. Second, updates may take time, so wait a few hours. Second, basic categories. Use other or close fit. So sorting your budget categories help you to spend smarter and save more. Try it today and see your money clearly. And that's it for today's video. If this helped you out, please like this video, comment down below, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.